The first practice was filtration, decantation, and absorption. In this practice, we had three different samples of water. We had distilled water, tap water, and polluted water, and we performed different procedures to purify them. First, before doing the procedures, we measured conductivity and pH, and then after performing the procedures, we measured these characteristics again to see how they changed.
We like this experiment because it can help us in our career by reusing resources as cleaning water that can help society.
Throughout the process, we learned three techniques: filtration to separate solids from liquids, decantation to separate liquids, and absorption with activated charcoal to remove particles.
On this practice, we tried to learn the processes of distillation and sublimation. We also learned how to use the Bunsen burner. The main objective of this practice was to identify the cations by observing the color of the flame.
This experiment was cool because it has a lot of uses. With this method, we can now know if something is contaminated or not, and now we know what fireworks are made of.
We learned two important processes: distillation, that is separating a mixture of two liquids, one change it to gas and then back again to liquid, and sublimation, that is separating two solids, one change it to gas and then back again to solid. Also, we identified different cations respecting to their color.
On this practice, we learned how to measure density of substances and what diffusion is. We also used phenolphthalein to distinguish between acid and base. Finally, we learned how volatility affects the distance and velocity of the ring formed.
Experiment, we liked it because we learned how to use phenolphthalein and it has a very bright color. And also we like to perform the ring of fumes because it was very fun to do and we could also observe the chemical phenomena that were happening.
Phenolphthalein is a very important substance because it helps us to easily determine the pH of the solutions. This practice helped us finding fun in chemistry.